Hey Transformers, Charmin and I just finished recording our video announcing the reopening of Restore Plus PT and the OT concept. And I just want to share this with you. I'm gonna send out this quick video about what kind of is going on in my mind because having done that recording, having done that video, definitely I feel a lot of excitement. Finally, after how many weeks of being closed, finally we're gonna be able to go back to the office. We're gonna be able to start treating patients again, which is the thing that I love the most. And I'll be seeing you guys again, so I'm really looking forward to that. But aside from that excitement, it got me thinking. Since we're gonna be open, it got me thinking over the past few weeks the things that has happened, and I want to share with everyone kind of my reflection there, what I feel. So aside from being excited, I feel grateful for the things that has happened over the past several weeks. Now I know some of you will say, is he for real? Is he serious? Is this guy gotta be crazy or something? I know some people may think that, but you know listen to what I have to tell you. This is so I want to share with you why I actually feel grateful. It's because couple things that couple of all the blessings that I have received. Couple of things that stood out the most is for me is the gift of time and the gift of connection. Gift of time, because I actually over the last several weeks, with not being in the clinic treating patients, I was able to get more time or get the time to connect. Connect with, you think, connect with who? Connect with, first is connect with myself. I was able to get more time to reflect, to get to know myself more. What are things that I want, that I like, and what are things that are important to me, and things that I would want for the future. So I have a deeper connection with kind of like with myself. Then connection with my son, with my family, because I was able to have dinner with my mom, with my son, with the family, um, and especially I was able to develop a better connection with my son. As you can see, we're together in some of those videos. He's actually liking to be in recording videos with me. So I feel like we have a stronger bond now, and we were just able to spend more time together. We started playing sports together because I want him to get more active. So I feel like our connection just got stronger. Just I got to know him more, and he's growing up fast. So that's the other thing. I got that connection with my son, with my family. Then also connection with people surrounding me, my friends, because I was able to, just shoot out messages, but that before I was thinking I'm too busy to do. I shoot out messages saying, see how people are holding up, changing stories, and not only my friends but also my staff, because we've been checking in on each other on a regular basis, and we have we meet on a weekly basis, just see how everybody's doing, everybody's okay, if there's anything that we can do to help each other and take care of each other. So that's another thing that that connection is something that I'm grateful for also. And the last but not the least is the connection with you guys, with the community, with the patients. You are we I consider you my family already. You're my extended family. That connection has been stronger the past several weeks. We were able to form the Facebook group. We created Team Transform. We had a couple of challenges there. We shared videos, tips, stuff like that. And the number of members, we started from just a few of us, and now we're 70 something people. It's great feeling to be more connected with you guys, with my family, with the community, being able to help you guys. And in the last virtual group workout session that we did, we even had the member who is in England. So having that that chance to be able to connect with people even from there, and in my YouTube channel, I had more people subscribing, and actually people writing in, asking questions and stuff like that. So being able to connect with people all over the world, and that's for me, that's an awesome feeling. Just not not even people out there, but just like I said, you guys, which are really important. You guys have supported me, through the years to how we are now, and we'll be and hoping you guys will continue supporting us as we open up and get through, start getting back on our feet. Um, Definitely that connection for me, I'm very grateful. So, with all those things that I have said, can you tell me, do you think it is appropriate for me to be grateful? What do you guys think? Because for me, I feel like all those things, if this has not happened, I may not been able to do, and that's why I'm very grateful for the things that has happened. And as bad as this pandemic has been, I always think there's always always that positive. There's always that silver lining, and for me, and that's the thing that I'm happy about. I'm grateful for, and want to just share that with you. I would love to hear what you guys think of what I mentioned, the things that I have mentioned there, and I want to know how this message impacts you. I'd love to see them in the comments. All right, so I'll see you next time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.